Okay, recently WinFuture has released images and information about the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic. Yes, that classic model is coming back. Now, this publication has also revealed promotional materials of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. If you want to check out those videos, I will link down below. So the big headline here is the famous rotating bezel that was absent on the Galaxy Watch 5 series coming back. Now, this is not the first time we're hearing about this. We're hearing about the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the physical rotating bezel for about a month or so now. Now, looking at the promotional materials, the device looks to have narrower bezels than the current Galaxy Watch 4 Classic model. But it will be offered in two sizes, 43mm and 47mm, slightly bigger. And it is also anticipated to be only available in black and silver colors, no beige color option. And it will also feature an optional leather strap. Now, the standard model will reportedly come in the same 40 and 44mm models as before, but it will have somewhat larger displays. Now, according to early rumors, the 44mm model would have a 1.47-inch display, while the tiny variant will actually have a 1.31-inch screen. Now, the screen aspect will actually grow because of the bezels are kind of shrinking. That said, the dimensions is still going to be almost the same. There are going to be three color options: black, silver, and beige. The beige color that we are hearing is that it will only come for the smaller variant, the 40mm model of the Galaxy Watch 6, not for the bigger one. But then again, if you look at the posters and if you look at the images, it kind of seems like the Galaxy Watch 6, the rumored redesign, isn't happening this year at the very least. Even though we have heard that it will come with a curvy display and curvy body just like the Pixel Watch or Galaxy Watch Active 2, but it's not happening. It is slightly more refined design of the Galaxy Watch 5, or even you can say Galaxy Watch 4. But from a long distance, you will not be able to identify which one is which because they just look so similar. Now, the new device actually will have a new processor, Samsung's Exynos W930 processor, which is anticipated to be around 10% quicker than the one powering the Galaxy Watch 5 series or the even Watch 4 series, the W920. And it will also be found inside the Watch 6 Classic. Now, is there any efficiency gains? Well, definitely. That's the biggest goal for the wearables, but we just don't know by how much. The new watches are also rumored to feature somewhat bigger batteries as well, although we anticipate little change in the charging time. So the charging speed is still going to be same as the Galaxy Watch 5 series, not the Galaxy Watch 4 series. That's kind of slow. 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage option will be standard on all the models. Now, if you look at the battery sizes, it looks like this. The Watch 6 Classic 43mm model will actually have 300 mAh battery. The 47mm model will have 425 mAh battery. And the same kind of battery capacities are expected for the Galaxy Watch 6 model, the standard model. But that's not only it. Samsung has also confirmed that the watches will be able to detect AFib, which simply means it can detect the abnormal heartbeat. Now, aside from that, we also know that One UI 5 will also bring some improvements in terms of aesthetic or something like that. Like the Android 12's Material U colors are coming to the watches now. The One UI 5 on watch will actually provide a lot more new and more customizable watch faces, like more complicated one, and it will have more complications to choose from. And it will also have updated SOS functionalities. On July 26, Samsung is rumored to hold its Galaxy Unpacked event where it will introduce the new foldables, tablets, and the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. I don't know whether they're going to be Watch 6 Pro or not, but maybe Samsung is keeping the Watch 6 Pro for the Watch 6 Classic, and they will introduce the Pro model next year and they will skip the Classic. Maybe that's the case. But what about the price? That's a big thing. This is the pricing. The 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 Bluetooth model will start at €319. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, though, will start at €420, and it will go all the way to €499. That's a lot of money. Now, in comparison to the Watch 5 series, this is slightly more costlier because the Watch 5 actually starts at €299 for the 40mm Bluetooth variant. The Watch 5 Pro actually starts at €489 for the 45mm Bluetooth model. Yeah, the prices have changed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this whole pricing changes or even this new look of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.